I just happened to come downtown and stumble across this race in progress. Didn't get a lot of information from the PNP here. He didn't know how to speak much English, so it's just another event that they have. There's 2 boats, 3 boats have already gone, and we've got a couple more up here. Got a pretty nice little crowd here. Always something to do in Iloilo. Okay, I'm gonna try to get one more video here. Don't know if the video was working before, so I'm gonna shoot another one for you folks. And this is the dragon boat race. You're gonna hear a boom, they're fixing to go. This is gonna be your adults. It looked like they have older people in this one. There we go. That was the boat call from the Wisdom Express over here at the Iloilo port. They're fixing to depart. Places unknown, Cebu, Bacolod. There they go. Wow, look at these guys go. Look at the water they're throwing up. Looks like boat propellers on the outside. Boat number 2 and boat number 4 are taking the lead. Boat number 2's got it. Boat number 2's got it. Looky there. It's called the Dragon Boat Race. This being held in front of the Bureau of Immigrations in the government building right here in the Port of Iloilo.